Hello guys, welcome to my channel LiQWYD. The videos for today will show you how to fix those cracks model between the heat and wedges. We have a good product that's called Maxipoint. After that, we're doing roof cleaning and treatment to keep the roof in a good shape, especially if you live in Florida. You might need it. As you can see, we put the blue tape all around the wedge and head. So once we put the Maxipoint on, because it's a good, flexible, durable, and fast drying Maxipoint, it's only comes in 8 colors. Now we're using natural color, that's the one to close up. After we're done with the hip and wedges, so what we do, I know the Maxipoint they came like pretty light because we pick a natural color. You can see it looks like white. So what we do, we scanned the cement to closely match the existing cement. Boom! This is the final. Let's walk around to see what it looks like. Remember guys, we do the Maxipoint around all the hips and wedges, and we do the roof cleaning and treatment. This is the final result. Please leave your comment. Let me know what do you think. Thank you for watching LiQWYD. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We will see you in the next video.